In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock pop-ups and redirects in Microsoft Edge. This can be crucial if you've been experiencing issues while downloading files or visiting certain websites. Pop-ups and redirects may often be seen as intrusive, but in some cases, they are essential for the functionality of various websites. So knowing how to manage them effectively is key. First, you'll need to launch Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is open, take a look at the top right corner. You should see 3 dots lined up vertically. This is your access point to more options. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In the menu, you'll find the Settings option, so go ahead and select it. This is the easiest and fastest way to navigate to the section where you can manage pop-ups and redirects. Now, on the left-hand side of the Settings page, you will see a vertical panel with different categories of settings. Here, you'll want to pay attention to the search bar located towards the top of this panel. This search bar is incredibly handy when you're looking for something specific within the settings and want to avoid scrolling through every option available. What you'll do next is type the word POP into the search bar. This will help narrow down your options and bring the relevant settings right to your fingertips. Once you type in POP and press enter, you'll notice several search results appear. Focus on the result that reads Privacy, Search, and Services. Underneath this title, you should see Site Permissions. Click on Site Permissions, and it will lead you to a subsection titled All Permissions. This section provides various controls over what content and information websites can use when you browse. Now, within All Permissions, you'll want to find the option related to pop-ups and redirects. By default, Microsoft Edge may block these to prevent unwanted content or actions when you visit certain sites. However, if you're encountering issues with downloads or accessing certain content, you might need to adjust these settings. Carefully check the options available and look for the toggle switch that allows pop-ups and redirects. Switch this toggle to Unblock or Allow, depending on how it's labeled, so that pop-ups and redirects will no longer be blocked. And there you have it. You have now successfully managed your browser settings so that pop-ups and redirects are no longer an issue on Microsoft Edge. This should resolve the problems you were facing with downloading or web navigation. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this.